Hi, I'm Holly. This is Active Lab. In this video, we'll be doing the dancing dumbbell strength workout. This is a high-intensity workout. You will need a pair of dumbbells and an 18-inch stool. The exercises are the Goblet Squat, the Pullover Squat, the Triple Count Curls, the Lunge Curls, the Flying Monkeys, the Shoulder Press, the Dumbbell Dips, and for our finale, the Step Up Lift. At the end of this workout, Chris will give you some suggestions on how you can best use this video. Okay, let's get started.
We're going to start with the Goblet Squat. Stand with your feet shoulder width. Wrap your hands around the bar of the dumbbell. Here we go. We're going to drop down into a squat, swing the dumbbell to chest height, and push back up. Let's do 14 reps. Push up with your glutes. Push your knees apart when you squat. A couple more. Great work. The next exercise is the Piston Squat. Stand with your feet shoulder width. Wrap your hands around the bar of the dumbbell. Bring the dumbbell to chest height. Here we go. Drop down and then push the dumbbell straight up. Let's do 14 reps. Push up with your glutes. Don't drop the dumbbell below chest height. Push your knees apart when you squat. Last rep. Way to go! The next exercise is the triple time curls. Bring up one arm and the opposite leg. Now we're going to do curls in sets of 3. On 1, put a foot down. On 2, leave both feet on the floor. On 3, bring up the next foot. Ready and... Let's do 14 reps. On 1, put a foot down. On 2, leave both feet on the floor. On 3, bring up the next foot. Keep your gaze up. One more set. Terrific. The next exercise is the bicep lunges. Put one leg back and hold the dumbbell on the same side. Start in your plie. Ready and... Let's do 14 reps. Keep your empty arm relaxed. Okay, let's switch sides. Let's start in a plie. Ready and... Let's do 14 reps. Keep your gaze up. Great work. Hey folks, if you're enjoying this workout, then give our Big Bang core workout a try. Okay, back to the exercises. The next exercise is the Flying Monkeys. Stand with your feet close together. We're going to step into second position and raise the dumbbells. Here we go. We're going to do 12 reps. push your knees out when you step into second position. Raise the dumbbells to shoulder height and no higher. A couple more. Great work. The next exercise is the dumbbell dips. Put one leg back and hold the dumbbell on the same side. Start in your plie, ready, and. Push the dumbbell up straight over one shoulder. Put the empty arm out horizontally. Let's do 14 reps. A couple more. Okay, let's switch sides. Start in your plie. Ready, and. Another 14 reps. Think of the dumbbell as a water bottle, and you're pouring water down your back. A couple more. Fantastic. The next exercise is the shoulder press. Stand in second position. Start in your plie. Put one hand behind your head. Ready, and. Push up onto one leg and press the dumbbell up. Let's do 14 reps. When you bring your legs together, the empty foot should be slightly off the floor. Snap your empty arm to horizontal. A couple more. Okay, let's switch sides. Start in your plie. Ready, and. Another 14 reps. Keep your gaze up. A couple more. That was great. Our finale exercise is the step up lift. Wrap your hands around the bar of the dumbbell, put one foot on the stool, now hold the dumbbell high. Here we go. We're going to step into a back lunge, drop the dumbbell behind our head, and then push back up. Let's do 14 reps. Keep your upper body tall. A couple more. Okay, let's switch sides. Another 14 reps. Keep your gaze up. A couple more. Nice job. Congratulations, you have finished the Dancing Dumbbell strength workout.